I think the hardest thing about quitting smoking is to take the first step.
It's addictive, plain and simple. It's not something that you just think you'll be able to quit and just be able to put it down.
From the time I woke up to the time I went to bed, it had 100% control. I would always feel so upset with myself every time I was not able to successfully quit.
So when I first called the 1-800-QUIT-NOW with the Oklahoma Tobacco Helpline, they were so caring and considerate and empathetic. And when I was struggling, wanted a cigarette, a quick coach would either text me or call me, or I knew I could call.
I had heard it on the radio, commercials for the Oklahoma Tobacco Helpline, but it was actually my boss who was the one who urged me to get the free products. That was the first step.
The patches and just the text messages that you would get were just so helpful.
I thought that it would be a simple fix and I would quit right away, when in reality, it did take the full program. I had many moments of weakness.
They understand what you're going through, and they can say, well, this is what I did. It's helped me. Maybe you could try this. They don't just throw something at you and say, okay, now you're on your own. You know that you have that to definitely help you through any situation.
Quitting smoking can be expensive, and so having a service that you don't have to financially be out of pocket for is so relieving, so helpful. If it wasn't for the Tobacco Helpline, I wouldn't have been successful. That's how much I credit them.
Calling the Oklahoma Tobacco Helpline isn't about weakness. It's about strength.
If you want to quit, there is help.